The digestive system is essential for turning the food we eat into the nutrients our bodies require. This network of organs works in harmony to break down food, absorb vital vitamins and minerals, and remove waste. As soon as a meal enters your mouth, a complex process begins, transforming each bite into energy and the building blocks needed for growth and repair. By understanding how each part of the digestive system functions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the journey our food takes. Let's now examine each organ and its unique contribution to this process. Digestion starts in the mouth, where food is broken down both mechanically and chemically. Chewing grinds food into smaller pieces, making it easier to swallow and increasing its surface area for further breakdown. Saliva mixes with the food, introducing enzymes like amylase that begin converting carbohydrates into simpler sugars. This process creates a soft, moist mass called a bolus, which is then ready to move further along the digestive tract. With food prepared for the next stage, it continues its journey toward the esophagus. The esophagus acts as a passageway, connecting the mouth to the stomach. When you swallow, food enters the esophagus and is propelled downward by coordinated muscular contractions known as peristalsis. These wave-like movements ensure that the food travels smoothly and efficiently toward the stomach. At the lower end, the esophageal sphincter opens to allow food to enter the stomach and then closes to prevent backflow. With the food now in the stomach, the next phase of digestion begins. Once in the stomach, food is mixed with gastric acids and enzymes that help break down proteins and other nutrients. The stomach's muscular walls churn the food and digestive fluids together, forming a semi-liquid mixture called chyme. This transformation is crucial for making nutrients more accessible for absorption later in the digestive tract. With the food thoroughly processed, it moves on to the small intestine, where the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats continues. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats each undergo specific processes during digestion. Carbohydrates begin breaking down in the mouth and are further digested in the small intestine into simple sugars, which are absorbed into the bloodstream. Proteins start their breakdown in the stomach and are fully digested in the small intestine before their amino acids are absorbed. Fats require emulsification by bile in the small intestine, allowing enzymes to break them into fatty acids and glycerol, which are absorbed into the lymphatic system before entering the bloodstream. These distinct pathways ensure that each nutrient is converted into forms the body can use for energy, growth, and repair. As digestion progresses, the small intestine takes center stage in nutrient absorption. The small intestine is the primary site for nutrient absorption. Here, enzymes and digestive juices continue to break down complex molecules into simpler forms. The inner lining is covered with tiny, finger-like projections called villi, which greatly increase the surface area for absorption. Nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals pass through these villi into the bloodstream, supplying the body with essential components for energy and growth. Once nutrients are absorbed, the remaining material moves into the large intestine for further processing. In the large intestine, the final stages of digestion take place. Excess water is absorbed, helping to solidify waste into stool and maintain the body's fluid balance. The formation of stool involves the mixing of undigested food particles, bacteria, and cellular debris. The distinctive odor of stool results from bacterial activity in the colon, which breaks down organic matter and releases gases such as hydrogen sulfide and methane. Factors like diet, gut microbiome, and digestive health can influence the nature of stool odor. As waste is formed, it moves toward the rectum for elimination. The rectum, as the final segment of the digestive tract, stores and eventually expels waste. After nutrients are absorbed, the remaining material is held in the rectum until the body is ready for elimination. Specialized muscles allow the rectum to expand and accommodate waste, and when it becomes full, nerve signals trigger the urge to defecate. Coordinated contractions and relaxation of the anal sphincters enable waste to exit the body, completing the digestive process and maintaining overall health. Through this journey, we've seen how each organ in the digestive system plays a unique and essential role in transforming food into energy and nutrients. The coordinated actions of these organs ensure that our bodies function efficiently and remain healthy. As we continue to explore human biology, we uncover even more fascinating details about the systems that support life.